In the 15-year journey, and now that they're expanding their key focus areas, South India is going to play a major role. And the very fact that also they have a strong R&D and innovation team which has adopted the latest upcoming technologies to set the stage for you to know a little about the company, and then of course more insights from Siddharth.
Platform right now. That is what is our bread butter in terms of business for us right now. What we exactly do is, if you all remember, and I think all of you have experienced this, you have a EMI that comes to you, right? Any loan that you take, you have a EMI. We basically make it easier for the banks to collect the EMI from you. Okay. In some cases, you miss the date, so there is a contact center agent or field agent that comes in. We tie this whole thing together in a single technology, which we call it M-Collect. Okay, we'll shed more light as we move forward. Raju.
Today, I am Raju Ramaswamy. I had the growth markets and alliances at Mobicule. So it's nice to be in Bengaluru. In fact, I was just trying to understand more. Bengaluru is not a string of words, Bengaluru. It's more about the emotions that is there. So, basically the kind of IT hub that you have here, the kind of multicultural society, and of course the traffic problem. So that's good thing to have. So I think that's a bit of introduction which I'd like to give. We'll cover up more as we move on.
Second, as I told you, because we deal with banks.
Siddharth Agrawal, I'm founder of Mobicule. We are basically a platform for debt resolution and collection. So we work closely with banks, financial institutions, NBFCs. We are a consumer-centric platform, so we allow banks to engage with their consumers to collect the simple term, which is a scary term called EMI, basically. So we are trying to kind of revolutionize this space, ensure that there is a common way in which consumers are dealt with, okay, as per regulations and as maintaining their dignity as well. So that's broadly what we do as a platform. So in terms of the main product features, with the payment infrastructure in India improving, which is a digital infrastructure in terms of UPI, one area which has emerged is something called as digital collection. So earlier, all of us must be used to a contact center agent calling you or a field agent coming and doing the collection. Times are slightly better now, where you get a communication via SMS, WhatsApp, or through a IVR, where you interact and you can make your payments directly by clicking a link, and directly through your UPI app you pay. So that's called digital collection. Along with that, the entire platform is AI based, which means whom to call, when to reach out to the consumer, in what language, at what time, is decided by a AI algorithm, which improves the more customers come on our platform, the AI capability improves. So this basically helps that if a customer is a low risk customer, he will not be getting a lot of reminders. A high risk customer will get a lot of reminders to ensure that he doesn't forget, and if he forgets, he does remember to pay back, basically. Sorry?
Target for this.
So see, India in lending is growing, right? Every place we are lending. Earlier, we used to probably only take a home loan. Then it reached to something called as personal loan. If I have to make my house, go for a trip, then I take a personal loan. Now, average a person buys a phone also under EMI, right? So, lending is increasing. In India, is lending at a very fast pace. So, all fintechs are focused on lending, which is improving the lending. But the more the lending will happen, it's a natural phenomena that more defaults will happen. People will miss their EMIs. People will not be able to pay. People will take extra loans and not be able to pay the loan back. So as this increases, and it has increased in the last 3 years in a big way, there is more and more need for a collection platform and a resolution platform. So that is what we are trying to do, and that is the scope for this in the market in the long term.